hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's video, and I want to welcome you guys back to day 12 of Vlogmas. So today marks the halfway point. We are halfway through Vlogmas. So today is actually Gingerbread House Day. So I thought today would be the ideal day to build a gingerbread house. So me and my dad are both going to be building a gingerbread house. I'll show you guys what we have in a second. The supplies we have. We're going to build a big one. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the Vlogmas content so far. Just chew the wrap. Just chew it, that's fine. So, sorry guys, I can hear my dad. He's eating pretzels. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you've been enjoying Vlogmas so far. If you have any questions or anything, drop them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. So I'm not going to waffle on, guys. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so what I have here is some miniature marshmallows, Smarties, selection of icing. I got some white buttons, some miniature Reese's, got some little snowflakes there, some mini Smarties and some pretzels, and then I bought the kits from IKEA. So I got the large one here, but I kind of had the option we both decided we want to build the big one. And then I got some coffee. So guys, we have of course been joined by a fabulous supervisor. I know he's who you're really here to see. I don't blame you, I would be too. Oh well, that's fully cold. That is fully cold. So, I'm going to put this to the side for the moment. And we're going to get started on our gingerbread houses. Now, this is a lovely fresh clean tablecloth in case anybody's concerned. So, guys, I've never built a gingerbread house. We may have a problem with losing a piece of gingerbread house to a certain supervisor. I've never built a gingerbread house. I'm pretty sure my dad never built a gingerbread house. So, this is going to be interesting, to say the least. I did speak to my auntie, however, and she's built loads of them. So, she gave me some advice on building them. So one piece of advice she gave me was do not skimp out on the icing. She said use loads. So I got this baking glue. If you are in IKEA and you do want to pick up one of these sets, I don't know if they're still in stock. I got this a few weeks ago, but in IKEA they have a little set that comes with all these little pieces, and then you can buy the baking glue as well. They have like a little decorating set. They've a little decorating set. It comes like that, and then I bought the baking glue as well to stick it together. So, we're just gonna get started, guys.
When the bell on the door jingled once more.
Okay guys, so, as you can see there, my dad's just popped this open. And this actually comes with really good detailed instructions on how to build it, which is really good. Now, I have to put this in hot water. This is really hard to use, so I actually read the back of it, it says put in hot water before you're still going to go do that now, and then I'll check back in with you guys. So we've had this in here for about 5 or 6 minutes. They say 5 to 10, so I'm going to try it now and see how we get on. It's just in hot water, just to soften it.
This Christmas song. what to do. I'm trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I can't done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, don't let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and know.
Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really happy with how the gingerbread houses turned out, and I think Dad is as well. He's right here. We have Mr. Supervisor, of course, who's been watching patiently all evening. I hope you're all enjoying the Vlogmas content so far, and I really hope you guys are having a great festive holiday, Christmas season, or whatever way you celebrate. So that is the end of Vlogmas Day 12, and we'll be back here again tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas, and I hope you'll join me then. As always, if you haven't already, and you're enjoying the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. And if you ring the bell set to all, you'll be notified every time a video goes live on my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you have a fantastic weekend and a wonderful week ahead. And I hope you guys remember to practice self-care and look after yourself over the festive season, and make sure you're taking breaks when you need them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye.
Bye.